You're gonna think I'm crazy. Hello and welcome to or welcome back. My name is Angie and I like to inspire creativity in others. And today we are going to be taking a sweatshirt and turning it into a skirt. Let me show you the sweatshirt that we're going to be using. It's actually this sweatshirt right here. It's made of velvet, but it has a hood on it, but it doesn't have any pockets at the bottom. This is kind of what I'm excited about. It has this piece here at the bottom that could actually make a waistband. Let me show you what we're gonna do with this thing. You're gonna think I'm crazy. It has this zipper at the top of it. That zipper is gonna be at the bottom because we are going to take and turn it upside down, and we're going to cut some off, but we're gonna cut it off at the bottom, right at the zipper. And basically, the zipper will be in the back of the skirt. So let me show you the supplies that we're going to need. And if that didn't make sense, just watch the video and you'll see what I'm talking about. We're going to need some thread. We're going to need some scissors, some needles. I will be using a sewing machine to sew this project. You can hand sew it if you prefer. A measuring tape right here. I cannot find my chalk for drawing on fabric, so I had my daughter get me a piece of her sidewalk chalk. Wish me luck with that, by the way. And last but not least, coffee. You need some coffee. You might not need some coffee. Maybe you're watching this at night, but it's morning for me, so I need my coffee. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with our project. Alright, and the next thing we are going to do is go ahead and grab a skirt that fits us the way that we want our skirt that we're making here to fit us. So I went ahead and grabbed this skirt right here. It does zip up, so I'll be making the waist a little bit bigger. I'm just going to lay this down and trace it. I want to get it as close to the middle as possible. From here to here, that's about 4.5 inches. Here is about, okay, perfect. It is in the middle. So now we need to trace it. So we don't really have to worry about anything past here. But do not cut the zipper off until you unzip it. So our cut will probably be right about here. Let's get ourselves a yardstick. And we want to put it above where we want to cut. Once I'm done with stuff, I just throw it on the floor and then I pick it back up because it's easier than putting it away and getting it in. So we're going to measure from the shoulder down to the yardstick. Okay, that's perfect. Now we need to draw our line. Now the best thing would be, since we want it to be really straight, is to use a rotary cutter. So I'm going to grab my rotary cutter and we're just going to cut it with that really quick. We will not be able to cut through the zipper, that is fine. Cut the fabric in between. So now let's go ahead and we'll pin it together and we'll give it a try on and see how it fits. I'm going to go ahead and try this on and I will show you what it looks like. Okay, so I have tried it on. I have it on right now. I'm going to show you. Please excuse my messy background. Like I said, I throw everything on the floor when I'm done with it. And then when I'm done with the video, I finally pick it up. So here we go. Here is the skirt. But here's the skirt. So now we are going to get to sewing. Okay, we have one side sewn. Okay, now let's go ahead and sew the other side. There we go. You guys are really close. Our very last step is going to be to hem the bottom. So we will go ahead and hem the bottom and try it on and see what we did. First, we're going to go ahead and pin it. So let's pin that bottom up. I know I should be using an iron for this, but I'm working currently in a small room and an iron just is kind of cumbersome for the room. So hopefully I get it straight. Here we go. And the zipper will need to be hand sewn down. And now we have some hand sewing to do with this zipper here. I'm putting fairly small stitches in because I don't want my hand sewing to show. And then if you did have to end it a little bit early, then just go ahead and hand stitch the rest of your hem down. Hi! I'm just going to go ahead and finish the hand stitching and then I'll try it on and show you guys what it looks like. So, okay, are you ready to see it? I am like so proud of it and I'm so excited. So I'm going to step back so you can see it. Whoa, I don't want to hit anything. And here it is in all of its glory. Tell me, whoa, watch out. Tell me what you think in the comments. Did I do a good job? You can definitely do this with any of your sweatshirts as well. The sweatshirts always come with the little band at the top. You can cut your sweatshirt out using one of your skirts, and you can do this too. So it was a simple little project that I wanted to show you how to do. Woo! I love it! 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 I am so excited and I hope that you're excited too. Don't forget, if you got value out of this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another creative post. A thumbs up would help my channel immensely. And if you wanted to donate a little bit, there is a super thanks button that you can hit. But no worries on that, you don't have to do that at all. We'll have a video on the screen for you to watch next, and I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you in that next upload. Peace out. And we are going to then cut it off at, whoops, you can't see, with the little zipper right there. First, we're going to have a little coffee break.